Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 11th January 2021. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. Yes, these are the articles for mains purpose and for prelims purpose. We have separated them. First, for mains purpose, first article on page number 6, editorial page. The context of the article, recent accident or unfortunate event that had happened in Maharashtra, Bhandara district of Maharashtra, wherein a fire broke in the hospital and 10 infants died in that let's say incident. So the article is discussing the safety measures that are required, because in earlier year also, in 2019 2020 also, there were some hospital fires in different areas of the country, different states of the country, and that has resulted into death of many such patients. Okay, so that's why the article is also talking about that the fire safety measures are very let's say different as compared to other establishment when we talk about the hospitals. Okay, so क्या क्या थोड़े से specific points भी है, कुछ data भी है. So we need to look into that aspect because such incidents are increasing day by day, and when we are talking about the COVID-19 pandemic, more and more let's say healthcare services are to be provided in future. The infrastructure is to be expanded, and therefore the safety measures should be always in place. Okay, so yes, let us understand what is given here in this article. The deadly fire that snuffed out lives of 10 infants in Bhandara district general hospital in Maharashtra. There are reports of poorly trained staff failing to respond adequately. Okay. Now, this incident or such incidents underscores a painful reality that safety protocols are yet to be institutionalized even in places where people legitimately expect a high degree of professionalism. Okay, so such kind of general, let's say district hospitals, they are expected to have some professionalism and the safety measures should be in place. We expect that. So last year there were devastating fires in COVID-19 facilities in Vijayawada, Ahmedabad, with several casualties blamed on poor oversight by fire authorities or faulty electrical repairs. So such kind of, let's say, reasons that have been there for such fire incidents in hospitals in Ahmedabad and Vijayawada last year. Hospital fires are a distinct entity, and research indicates that there are specific factors that trigger them off and aggravate their impact. तो ये specific factors क्या है? For example, intensive care units, neonatal ICUs and operating rooms are often the sites of fires, implicating the presence of high concentration of oxygen in confined spaces. Okay, so ICUs and all these, they have these oxygen cylinders and storage rooms. So for that purpose, we can understand high concentration of oxygen, surely that enhances the fire activity in that region, aggravate the fire let's say spread in that particular part of the hospital. The review of Indian hospital fires published in Journal of Clinical Anesthesia identified higher oxygen availability in ICU facilities as the likely primary cause, with motors and electrical units in the room providing the ignition and plastic fueling it. So reasons आपको समझ में आ रहे हैं. ICU facilities में ऑक्सीजन जो होता है, along with that electric motors and electrical units, they somehow provide for ignition. Spark होता है वहाँ पे, right? So spark हो गया तो वो ignition के लिए reason बन जाता है, and plastics fuel such kind of spread of fire. Oxygen monitors for hospital rooms to ensure that the ambient level is within safe norms set at maximum 23.5% by US National Fire Protection Association could help to avoid an accident. Locating electrical equipments for air conditioners with sparking potential away from oxygen saturated areas may also reduce the risk. ठीक है, तो ये कुछ वे फॉरवर्ड में उन्होंने सेफ्टी मेजर्स बताए हैं and international practices, so we need to note them down. And along with that, the center should also create public platform for insights gained from inquiries into hospital fires to be shared, because this will also act as a way forward or feedback mechanism for other hospitals to ensure the safety mechanisms. Hospitals should also mandatorily hold regular safety and evacuation drills which are key to saving lives when disaster strikes. So safety and evacuation drills, तो mock drills जिसको बोलते हैं हम, ठीक है, तो these helps in efficient evacuation and reducing life let's say loss of life in actual event. तो mock drills होनी चाहिए, safety drills होनी चाहिए. Fine. So these inputs can be taken specifically when if the question is talking about the fires in the hospitals. Okay. तो ये COVID-19 की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में है, because we are expanding more and more healthcare facilities, infrastructure, and for that purpose we need to have the fire safety measures in place. Fine. Okay. Next, planning an exit out of easy money regime. So very good article. It is written by former governor of RBI D Subbarao, and he is having the context here talking about how RBI should tackle the both monetary, or we can say that inflation aspect, the monetary policy aspect, and second is how to fuel the growth in the economy and ensure more and more investment in the economy. Okay, तो ये जो challenge है RBI के सामने, तो ये कौन से challenges है and how let's say RBI is facing these challenges. So first of all we will talk about that, like what is the present situation. The RBI embarked on an extraordinary expansionary policy to manage the financial pressures unleashed by COVID-19. Now in expansionary policy, what happens is the RBI increase the money supply in the economy. That is called as expansionary monetary policy adopted by RBI. And contractionary, इसका opposite जो होता है, the RBI suck out the money supply from the let's say or the liquidity in the economy. Okay, तो ये जो होता है वो monetary policy के जो objectives होते हैं to ensure the inflation in within the let's say stable range or good range, we can say that. It slashed policy interest rate aggressively, flooded the market with unprecedented amount of liquidity, and instituted a slew of measures for targeted assistance for especially distressed sectors. So such kind of measures have been taken in recent times by RBI so as to boost the demand in the economy. ठीक है, the liquidity क्यों fuel की जाती है so as to boost the aggregate demand in the economy, but that has some kind of challenges. क्या होता है कि जब लिक्विडिटी बढ़ जाती है इकोनॉमी में, व्हाट हैपन्स आफ्टर दैट, देयर आर इन्फ्लेशनरी ट्रेंड्स दैट आर सीन इन द इकोनॉमी इन जनरल व्हेन देयर इज मोर लिक्विडिटी. ओके, so such kind of inflation again it needs to be targeted by the RBI in future. So what are these challenges? Three important challenges. The biggest challenge will be to manage the tension between restraining inflation and supporting the recovery of economy or economic growth. ठीक है, तो ये जो बैलेंस जो होगा उसमें, बिकॉज दीज आर अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन, बिकॉज व्हेन देयर इज इंक्रीज इन लिक्विडिटी देयर विल बी मोर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. ओके, बट दैट आल्सो रिजल्ट्स इनटू मोर इन्फ्लेशन. So again inflation, to put inflation, bring inflation down, again the RBI needs to suck out the money from the economy, reduce the liquidity from the economy. तो ये जो टेंशन होता है तो ये कैसे मैनेज किया जाएगा, that is the biggest challenge. Second is, and related challenge will be withdraw the excess liquidity in good time. Okay, so in future we need to withdraw the excess money from the economy, and again that is the challenge before RBI. And the third big challenge for RBI is going to be forward will be to restrain the rupee from appreciated out of line with fundamentals. So appreciation of rupee can happen because of such liquidity, and this should not be there, because what will happen is when there is appreciation of rupee, that will somehow result into flight of money or investment from the economy. Okay, so ये problem हमें tackle करना है, and that's why the he is talking about that RBI is confronted with classic case of impossible trinity. What is this impossible trinity? Of keeping doors open for capital flows while simultaneously maintaining a stable exchange rate and restraining inflation. तो ये तीनों जो है साथ में कभी नहीं हो सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज द मेजर, वी कैन से दैट इम्पॉसिबल ट्रिनिटी जिसको बोला गया है. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज बेटर टू बी रफ राइट एज केन्स सेड दैट प्रिसाइजली रॉन्ग और देन बी प्रिसाइजली रॉन्ग. तो ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ट्राई करना सही है, रफ राइट इज बेटर देन precisely wrong. That was said by Keynes, and that should be the guiding principle for RBI as it navigates its way out of crisis driven easy money policy, or this is the expansionary policy that is going on at present by the RBI. Okay, so in future these will be the challenges faced by the RBI, and what should be the let's say way out for this or to overcome these challenges. Again, we can say that to suck out the money at the appropriate time and to bring back the balance between the inflation and the recovery economic growth, तो उस पे ध्यान देना है उनको, and also check if there is rupee appreciation in the economy. तो accordingly the measures needs to be taken. ठीक है, तो ये at present economy का status है. Then the next article, gearing up. So again vaccination drive that is going to be started on 16th January, the world's largest vaccination drive. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that from 16th January, after Makar Sankranti and Pongal festivities, doctors, nurses, sanitation workers who are part of priority group would be getting vaccines. So, but still we are unclear who gets the vaccine, who gets the which vaccine. Okay, there are two vaccines approved by the government recently. One is Covishield, that is produced by Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin that is produced by Bharat Biotech. तो ये दोनों को इमरजेंसी यूज के लिए अप्रूवल दिया गया है, बट कौन सा वैक्सीन मिलेगा ये अभी तक समझा नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है, several experts have made the case that declining rate of infections and low relative mortality meant that India was not in a dire state of emergency that required to approve untested vaccine. कौन सा है ये? कोवैक्सीन की बात हो रही है. So many scientists are criticizing that without appropriate trial data, human trials data, why this Covaxin vaccine has been, let's say, given the approval by our regulatory, let's say, body. ठीक है, तो more clarity would likely to come by the March when the right data is there. Covaxin is best kept as a backup in the event of sudden surge of cases till its efficacy data and is available and acceptable. ठीक है, तो ये फ्यूचर में यूज होना चाहिए, अभी इतना इमरजेंसी की जरूरत नहीं है. Also, reports have emerged the trials in Bhopal where volunteers were seemingly under the impression that they were getting protective shots when some were likely to getting placebo. ठीक है, तो ये जो है अभी रिसेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में है बिकॉज ऑफ लेट्स से सम इश्यूज इन ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स. तो ये आपको एथिक्स में भी पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट आर द इश्यूज इन क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स और ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स. तो एथिकल इश्यूज है बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द अप्रोप्रिएट कम्युनिकेशन डन टू द वॉलंटियर्स. इसके बारे में हमने एक आर्टिकल बहुत अच्छे से डिस्कस किया था, ये एथिकल पर्सपेक्टिव से व्हाट शुड बी द मेजर्स टू एंश्योर दैट दीज वॉलंटियर्स आर टेकन केयर ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएटली. Vaccine that evokes distrust is self-defeating. Very good statement, you can use directly in your answer. Vaccine that evokes distrust is self-defeating. तो वैक्सीन हेजिटेंसी की बात हो रही है, तो वी नीड टू एंश्योर दैट गवर्नमेंट शुड कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली, डॉक्टर्स शुड कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली टू दिस वॉलंटियर्स, people who are receiving the vaccine shots. So along with improving access, the government must seriously examine the conduct of vaccine trials and work hard to bolster public trust in it and monitor the vaccination process for adverse reaction. ठीक है, तो this should be the way forward by the government so as to ensure that such kind of vaccine hesitancy does not rise in India. Okay, next. Now this is important from prelims perspective. Arunachal harbors a vanadium source. ठीक है, so in Arunachal Pradesh, Geological Survey of India has found huge resources of vanadium metal, which is used for strengthening steel and titanium. Okay, so vanadium, a high value metal. So up till now, yes, the country was largely importing this vanadium, and we were not having that much sources. The largest sources or the largest deposits of vanadium are in China, followed by Russia and South Africa. Okay, at the same time, China is the largest producer 57% of the world's vanadium and also largest consumer 44% of the metal in the world. Okay, so strengthening of steel and titanium कहाँ पे मिला है ये सोर्सेस? अभी अरुणाचल प्रदेश. Okay, so what we need to know about the prelims, कहाँ पे मिला है और इसका पर्पस क्या है, कहाँ यूज होता है, पर्पस यानी कि, एंड द लार्जेस्ट लेट्स से डिपॉजिट्स इन द वर्ल्ड, ये हमें प्रीलिम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश वी हैव फाउंड द वैनेडियम सोर्सेस. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन बनता है उस पर कि सिंपली रिसेंटली जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया हैज फाउंड promising concentration of vanadium metal in which of the following state of India? So this is found in Arunachal Pradesh. So generally what we find is most of the metal resources or metallic mineral resources are found in Chota Nagpur region. तो झारखंड या उड़ीसा हम सोच सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पे गलत होगा. Exactly we need to know the sources where they are found by the GSI, Geological Survey of India. So answer is Arunachal Pradesh. So lastly, SOP for immunization emergencies issued. So this was again much weighted guidelines by Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for adverse events following immunization. ठीक है, तो ये जो standard operating procedures है AEFI, Adverse Events Following Immunization, तो क्या क्या SOPs उसमें ऐड किए गए? These SOPs meant to help the investigators ensure appropriate handling of the vaccine, victim assistance as well as timely and effective law enforcement. So for example, Delhi police has been instructed all DCPs to educate SHOs about the norms. The police officer must also ensure that AEFI victims and any witnesses are provided assistance and appropriate protection, care and attention. Documentation and completed requisition form for transportation of AEFI samples to a laboratory must have same official stamp. ठीक है, तो ये official stamp होगा उसमें. At the same time, the SOP also provides for investigation, interrogation of the vaccinator. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये जो SOPs है, these SOPs are for law enforcement agencies. Fine. This will help in monitoring immunization safety, correcting unsafe immunization practices, reducing negative impact of the event on health and contributing to quality immunization. Fine. So these are in place. Adverse events following immunization, SOPs for AEFI. ये follow up COVID-19 पे रखा हूँ. Important captions and quotations. One is for RBI impossible trinity. तो ये आप यूज करो आंसर में, impossible trinity. तो ये तीन कौन सी चीजें है इसमें ट्रिनिटी में? कीपिंग डोर्स ओपन फॉर कैपिटल इनफ्लोस, यानी कि इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात हो रही है, फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. साइमल्टेनियसली मेंटेनिंग ए स्टेबल एक्सचेंज रेट, दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट, स्टेबल एक्सचेंज रेट. तो यहाँ पे अप्रिशिएटिंग रूपी नहीं होना चाहिए. Restraining inflation, so in terms of liquidity, more inflation, तो ये भी कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. तो ये तीन जो है एक साथ में नहीं हो सकते, प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, तो इसलिए उसको इम्पॉसिबल ट्रिनिटी बोला गया है. सो वी कैन से दैट इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन इकोनॉमी, GS3 और essay पेपर. वैक्सीन दैट इवोक्स डिस्ट्रस्ट इज सेल्फ डिफीटिंग. तो ये जो है कोविड के ऊपर या कोविड-19 का वैक्सीनेशन के ऊपर. तो हमने जो जीएस के पेपर इस साल के देखे 2020, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट वर आस्क्ड, दे वर आस्क्ड रिगार्डिंग आइदर लेट्स से द लॉकडाउन टाइम पीरियड, जैसे एथिक्स में केस स्टडी पूछा है, या फिर उन्होंने जो है सोसाइटी के ऊपर कोविड-19 स्टे होम जो नॉर्म्स है उसके ऊपर पूछा हुआ है, पैंडेमिक का इम्पैक्ट. ठीक है, या फिर टेक्नोलॉजी का क्या हमने यूज किया है कोविड-19 को हैंडल करने में, पैंडेमिक हैंडल. बट वैक्सीनेशन का नहीं पूछा है बिकॉज दिस इज नाउ इन रिसेंटली इन न्यूज. तो ये नेक्स्ट ईयर 2021 मेंस एग्जामिनेशन, उसके लिए जरूर क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एंड बिकॉज अप टिल दैट टाइम श्योरली द वैक्सीनेशन इज द कंटिन्यूएशन प्रोसेस, वो चलता रहेगा एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. तो ये जरूर आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हो और यूज कर सकते हो. Fine. Okay. So these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion course or batch wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. The new batch is soon going to start for 2021 course. So for further information of that batch, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.